Children, let's do the book exercise. First, we'll do the MCQ. Now see the first question. There is a change in the first question. Instead of Jammu and Kashmir, you have to write Uttar Pradesh. Actually, as you know, Jammu and Kashmir is now no more a state. It has turned into a union territory. So we have written here Uttar Pradesh. Now Uttar Pradesh and dash have bicameral legislature. So the other state which have bicameral legislature is the Bihar. So Bihar is the correct option. Minimum age to become an MLC is. Now what is MLC? Member of Legislative Council. It is 30 years, not less than 30 years. The bill introduced in the Legislative Assembly becomes an act only after the dash signs it. So who is that person? It's a governor. Governor is the person who assigns the bill to become an act. President doing this work at central level. Now the fourth question. The lower house of the state legislature is Rajya Sabha, Vidhan Parishad, Lok Sabha or Vidhan Sabha. It's Vidhan Sabha. Vidhan Sabha is also known as Legislative Assembly. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are at central level in the parliament. Now the fifth one. The dash system is the backbone of the administrative machinery of the country. Now only you have learnt it. Yes, it is civil service. So civil service is considered as the backbone of the administrative machinery of the country. Now let's do the fill in the blanks. First, the state is divided into administrative units called divisions, which are looked after by divisional commissioners. Second, the Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the Legislative Assembly. Now the third, a bill or the draft of a proposed law is introduced either in its Legislative Assembly or in the Legislative Council of the state. Fourth, the Advocate General can participate in proceedings of the state legislature without the right to vote. Now the fifth, the Chief Minister can ask any minister to resign from his post at any time. So Chief Minister is more powerful. Even he can change the ministry of the ministers. Now let's do true and false. First statement is an MLC is a member of the Vidhan Parishad. Yes, it is true. Why? Because the Vidhan Parishad is also known as Legislative Council and the member of it will be called as MLC or Member of Legislative Council. So the statement is true. Second, the governor appoints the Advocate General. Yes, this is also true. The governor appoints the Advocate General of a particular state. The Vidhan Parishad is elected for a term of 5 years. This statement is false. Why? Because the Vidhan Parishad is elected for a term of 6 years, not 5 years. It is the Vidhan Sabha which is elected for a term of 5 years. So this statement is false. Now the fourth one. There are 3 types of ministers in the Council of Ministers. This statement is also true. You know which are the 3 types of ministers? Yes, they are cabinet ministers, ministers of state and deputy ministers. Now the fifth one, all bills passed by the state legislature have to be approved and signed by the chief minister. Is it true? No. Who is the person who approved and assigned it? It is the governor, not the chief minister. So this statement is false.